Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook one of my favorite Indonesian recipe, which we call Opor Ayam here in Indonesia, and you can just simply call it coconut chicken soup. This is one of my favorites, so check this out. Okay, now let's start. Here I have one whole chicken that I cut into 10 pieces. I washed it properly, and now I'm just going to put some salt and just mix it, and then after that I'll set it aside. Okay, so now let's talk about some of the ingredients for this dish. First, I have galangal roots. It looks really similar to ginger, but the flavor and the color is totally different. You can probably find it in any Asian grocery stores, and then you can keep it in your fridge to freeze and it will last for some time. The next one is kaffir lime leaves. This one is very common in Indonesian dishes and it's very aromatic. The next ingredient that I want to talk about is candlenuts. This one tastes like quite nutty. If you cannot find it where you live, you can just substitute it with cashews or almonds. Okay, so now I'm just going to cut the galangal and the ginger into small pieces, just like that. And with the lemongrass, I'm just going to cut the white part, just a little bit of it, and also the other side, and then bash it with my knife so it can release the aroma when we cook it. Into my food processor, I put the shallots, the garlic, the galangal, and the ginger, and also the candlenuts, ground coriander, ground cumin, white pepper, and some oil. And then I'm going to process it for a while until it becomes a fine paste just like this. Now this is ready for us to use. Now make sure that your pan is hot enough, and then you can drizzle some oil. Wait until it heat up a little bit and then put the paste that we made earlier. You want to make sure that you cook this for a while to get rid of the raw taste of the spices. And now you can put in the lime leaves and the bay leaf and then the lemongrass and just stir it for a while. Now it's time to add the chicken pieces. So what you want to do now is you want to keep stirring it until the chicken is covered with the spices and it changes color, so it becomes pale and not pinkish anymore. Once the color has changed like this, you want to add some water. And you also want to add some salt and sugar. Just stir it properly, and then after that you want to cover it on medium heat for like about 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm going to add more water and the potatoes, and I'm going to stir it for a little bit, and then now I'm going to put the coconut milk. At this point, you want to cook it for another 10 to 15 minutes or just until the potato is tender. You can cover it and then stir it occasionally until everything is properly cooked. This smells so amazing. Look at that. Okay, now let's check if the potato is tender. If it's done, then you're ready to plate it. Click the link on the description below for the complete ingredients and measurements. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and see you on the next video. Bye!